Hey there! So, today we're diving into a common problem that you might encounter while using Lua. The problem revolves around the string.find function not behaving as expected when searching for certain patterns within a string. Specifically, we'll explore why using specific substrings might result in unexpected outcomes. Let's get into it. In dealing with this problem, the solution lies in understanding how Lua interprets patterns within the string.find function. By default, Lua treats certain characters like the hyphen as special characters with specific meanings and patterns. To address this issue, you can escape these characters by using the cent symbol before them. Alternatively, you can opt to explicitly specify that the search term should be treated as a plain string by including the option plain equals true when calling string.find. These tweaks ensure that the function interprets the search term exactly as provided, preventing any unwanted behavior. In summary, to overcome the challenges posed by Lua's pattern interpretation in string.find, you can either escape special characters or explicitly specify that the search should be treated as a plain string. Understanding these nuances can help you navigate similar issues in your Lua programming endeavors. With that, I hope this explanation clears up any confusion you had regarding this issue. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Let's keep the conversation going.